How to add table in Google Forms. Want to add a table in Google Forms but don't see a direct option? No worries. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy methods to insert tables in Google Forms. So let's get started. Google Forms doesn't have a direct table feature, but you can use the multiple choice grid to create a table-like format. Here's how. Just open Google Forms. Tap on sign in. Now here what you need to do is select multiple choice grid as the question type. Now once you do that, in the rows section you can add various options like names, categories, or whatever you prefer. Once you've done that, you can move on to the categories of columns section. Now, and in columns section, you can add answer choices like yes, no, ratings, preferences. Just enable require response in each row if needed. Now, if you want users to select multiple options per row, you can use checkbox grid instead. Just tap on plus, and likewise just follow the same steps as method 1, but choose checkbox grid or tick box grid instead of multiple choice grid. Now users can now select multiple answers per row, making it great for matrix style surveys. And as you can see here, our table looking like Google Forms has been added. And that's it. That's how you simply add a table in Google Forms.